In this guide, we will explore the 2020 Kia Cadenza Fuse Box diagram and its location through a series of questions. Where is the fuse box located in the 2020 Kia Cadenza? How can you identify the different fuses in the diagram? What steps should be followed for replacing a fuse? Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel in the 2020 Kia Cadenza houses essential fuses for interior functions such as power windows, lighting, and the audio system. It provides easy access for fuse replacement through a removable cover. The panel includes labeled diagrams for quick identification of each fuse's purpose. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2020 Kia Cadenza contains high current fuses and relays for essential systems like the engine, cooling fans, and headlights. It is designed to protect critical components from electrical overloads. The panel includes clear labeling for each fuse and relay, allowing for quick identification and replacement when needed.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.